144 is finally here. Hey, Javier! Why were you late? Because I've been outside waiting for you like a bunch of hours and you took a long time to come. What? Oh, really? Oh, and where's Juan? He hasn't came for like 5 times. Where's Juan? He hasn't drove his truck for like a few weeks. He's been sick? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. Sometimes the other drivers are sick too. Finally! He was late! Yeah, he said his truck broke down when he was earlier his truck broke down. This 24th in my street. Finally came, he was late. There he goes. All right.